How to replace a headrest and lumbar mechanism. Disconnect the power supply or battery from the unit. Disconnect the power headrest and lumbar cables. Lift the interior latches. Remove the back from the mechanism and store away from the unit while service is being performed. Remove the outside back cover from the frame using a staple puller by gently prying up on the tack strips and flip the back cover over. Caution: tack strips are very sharp and can cause injuries. Alternatively, you can completely remove the tack strips from the cover. Using a 7/16 socket and ratchet, remove all attachment fasteners from the back frame. Remove the headrest lumbar assembly from the back frame by sliding it downward and out from the bottom of the frame. Insert a new headrest and lumbar assembly into the back frame by sliding it upward and into the back frame cavity. Reattach the headrest and lumbar assembly using fasteners from the original headrest and lumbar assembly. Flip the back over and gently hammer the original tack strips down into the frame using the original holes in position. Reattach the back frame onto the mechanism uprights. Reconnect the headrest and lumbar cables, then fasten the outside back Velcro to the bottom of the frame. Reconnect the power supply or battery. Test the unit for functionality.